Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Okay, so today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use U Dictionary app on your phone. So U Dictionary app is a translation app or a mobile dictionary that will allow you to translate from one language to another. So let's just launch the app to know how to use it. Okay, as you can see, this is what the app looks like, and at the top of the screen you can see there's a language option. What language do you need to translate? For example, here I choose English and then Indonesian, since Indonesian is my mother language. And there is a translation box over there, and if you want to translate a word or sentences, you just can type the words or paste if you already copy the words or sentences before. For example, I want to translate adjective. Okay, you just can tap on the word, and the app will show the meaning of the word. And then if you want to know how to pronounce the word, you can just tap on the speaker icon,
adjective,
like that. There's two options of pronunciation. There are UK and US accent, so you just can choose the one you preferred. Okay, then other than beside you can just type the word, or you just can't use camera to translate text or document, or you just can tap the conversation option to translate conversation. And you can learn some English tips from English corners. You can see there's English corner. Okay, yeah, I think that's all I need to tell you about the basic of the app. I'll tell you some other features on the next video, I hope. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't hesitate to click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.